Okay, so we also have our herbs, which I'm very sorry, most of the names I know only, only in Polish. But what we use a lot is honey. For most of the throat pain, everything, honey is there. And we are eating a lot of cold beverages because it's a very cold country. Not all the time. It's not like we have a polar bears or something. But in general, we have to take care of keeping ourselves hot. So like hot soups, we have a lot. And our diet is also quite different from the diet here. But any like this yoga exercises, like this holistic way of thinking, I'm not sure if it's so rooted in the culture as it is here.